Hi everyone, it's Marisol with Heat Press Nation. The skinny tumbler has become one of the most popular forms of drinkware to come around in a while. If you're customizing one of these, you probably fall into one of two camps. Either you're using a dedicated oven setup with an oven wrap, or you're using a standard size mug press and applying smaller graphics. Both of these methods are great ways to customize your tumbler. But now there's a third option, the HPN Signature Series mug press with a skinny tumbler heating attachment. And the best part is, this attachment will give you a full bleed transfer. As I mentioned before, using a dedicated convection oven setup is perfectly fine for customizing these tumblers. A setup like this certainly has its benefits, but now the HPN's ever popular Signature Series mug press gives you the ability to customize a skinny tumbler in a fraction of the time that an oven can. All thanks to this, the skinny tumbler heating attachment. This brand new heating attachment is included with all three Signature Series combinations, the 2-in-1, the 4-in-1, and the 7-in-1. This attachment is the best option for applying large full width transfers onto a 16, 20, and 30-ounce sublimation tall tumblers, also known as skinny tumblers. Let me show you exactly how to use this attachment. First, prepare your graphic to fit within the imprint area of the tumbler. Before we go on, it's important to let you know that not all Sublimation skinny tumblers are made equally, so please refer to the transfer instructions for your specific brand of tumbler. Also, for the tumblers that we sell at Heat Press Nation, you can download Photoshop templates directly from the product page. Once your graphic is ready to go, print it using your Sublimation printer. So here we have our heat transfer image that we're going to be sublimating onto our 16-ounce Orca tumbler. We're going to go ahead and cut the transfer. We're going to ensure that we're going to get 1 millimeter into the image to ensure we don't leave that white border on our tumbler. So here I'm just going to make sure I get enough, but not too much. And this is the end result. So here we have the 16-ounce Orca tumbler. We're gonna go ahead and start by taking off the cap. We wanna make sure that nothing is inside. Sometimes you do have these with information cards, so we wanna take that out. You see here we have nothing. We're gonna start by wrapping our tumbler. We wanna make sure that where we did the trim to edge, we're gonna place this inside of our wrap. And the white on the edge is going to be the outside of our wrap. We just want to make sure that it's nice and tight. Okay, so we just want to make sure that there's a part of the image showing at the top and at the bottom. This is going to be our bleed. Okay, so once we have it nice and tight, we want to make sure that we tape it onto the center. We want to make sure, again, it's nice and tight. Once that's taped onto the center, we want to make sure that we get a nice strip. And then one at the bottom. And it's ready for our mug press. Okay, now that we have our heat press up to temperature, we're gonna go ahead and place our tumbler. We want to make sure it's nice and centered. And we have medium pressure. Okay, we just want to make sure that we rotate it. And press again. Okay, we want to make sure that we have heat gloves on because it's super hot, as you can see. Okay, so it's all done. We just want to go ahead and let it cool off and then peel off the transfer. Okay, now that it has cooled off, we're gonna go ahead and peel off the transfer. And there you go, a customized skinny tumbler. Thank you so much for watching. If you like skinny tumblers and this video, please press like. Subscribe and hit the bell to also be notified for future videos. Also, check out heatpressnation.com for much more information on sublimation and all heat transfer related topics. I'm Marisol with Heat Press Nation, and have a good day.